You'll see a detail block parts, some extra points. It looks like the back's frozen. I managed to get a mark. Let's see if the girls can get it in time. And they managed to get it in the last 10 of the match. Q72 here on the opportunity field. We have 42,000